Hey everybody, Mark Pescatore, Content Director for Systems Contractor News. Today we're doing a quick demo of the Insta360 Link 2 4K webcam. First things first, how's the focus work? Let's take a look at that box. See how well you can see the print. Now I'm recording in 4K and recording that to Google Meet. So we'll see just how the compression goes. But we're not taking it easy on this camera. Patterned shirt. We're using their microphone, their built-in microphone. I've got warm lighting in my office, plus I open the window to throw a little daylight into the mix. Personally, I think the picture looks pretty good, but this camera has something that a lot of cameras don't have in this price range. Gesture control. That's right. Here we go. Let's see how well this thing can track me. I'll sit over here and hang out with my buddy Radigan. He's my favorite Disney princess. We're going to walk over here to this side of my office as well. Now, it turns out that the Insta360 Link 2 can go 280 degrees. That means it'll follow you around almost your entire office. So be sure you clean up. Here's something else, though, that this has. Zooming. You're not a loser. You're a zoomer. You can zoom in and you can zoom out. Those are just a couple of the things you can do with the Insta360 Link 2.